The 5 circumstantial advantages include the advantage of the presence of a particular teacher, the advantage of the teaching of the Dharma, the advantage of the time, the advantage of our own good fortune, and the advantage of the teacher's extraordinary compassion. If we were born in a dark kalpa instead of a bright kalpa in which a Buddha has appeared, we would not even hear of the names of the Guru, the 3 jewels, the 4 noble truths, the 12 links of dependent origination, etc. Now that we are born in a good kalpa, where the Buddha has come, so we possess the advantage of the presence of the particular teacher. We are so fortunate to be born in a bright kalpa. When Buddha Shakyamuni has appeared, we have the fundamental teacher providing us guidance. Otherwise, no matter how many cycles of birth and death we go through life after life, we are unable to attain liberation. Therefore, the advantage of the presence of the particular teacher is the first of the 5 circumstantial advantages we should appreciate.